Alright, so yesterday I got the spark going. Confirmed the spark's good. I got the compression figured out. Today I'm working on the fuel because I found out that there is a fuel pump switch back here. So I charged the battery overnight, and this is the fancy little switch hiding. So if that's off and that's on, it makes a huge difference. And so yeah, now when I turn it on, you can hear it, and you can see it pumping. So we got fuel. So then the next step is to replace these two fuel lines that are about to explode on me while I'm going down the road, enjoying the fine weather of this winter or summer. These things are about to crack off of here. Can you see how cracked they are? They're like ticking time bombs. MG cocktails. That's what I'll call them. But yeah, these need to get replaced. They're pretty cruddy. So we'll do that. And then I guess the float bowls could be clogged. That would be why, if the lines were full of fuel, they weren't starting. I mean, they weren't getting fuel into the carb or something. So I'll work on that next. But that's where I am today on this project. Just starting up on this. And you know, just keep on going.